There was a boy, a very strange enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far, oh very far, over the land and sea. Little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day a magic jet passed my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, then he said to me, the greatest things you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in return. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Sore Fingers back with you again, but hopefully another interesting lesson for you, a preview anyway. This is a very old song. It goes all the way back to Nat King Cole, and a song called Nature Boy. Okay, obviously he did it on a piano with his lovely voice, and I'm doing it on a single guitar with not such a lovely voice. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but for my take on it, I'm got a capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, just so it's I can sing it fairly comfortably. Okay, it's not. I don't think it's in the original key. I think he did it in D minor, so it's a bit lower than his key. Okay, so anyway, hopefully you might have enjoyed that. If you did, it's got a sort of a jazzy, Latin-y feel to it, the way I've done it. Hopefully you might enjoy some of the chords that are in it. Okay, so see you soon if you're interested. Bye for now.